Yeah, so the Act 60 is not static. It's like any other law. It's like any other regulation that you need to follow. That's why we recommend the people that are interested in relocating their business to Puerto Rico or the investors to move to Puerto Rico, make sure that you work with a group of professionals that are up to date and ahead of the game, if you really think about it. You know, if you're running a business, you have to understand not only what's happening now, but also you have to understand what might be around the corner. So you can have the right planning, the right tools, so you can implement in your business. That way you keep on having the right savings and the right tax strategy, not only in Puerto Rico, but should you have interest somewhere else, you want to make sure that you're ahead of the game, right? Compliance is king, and compliance is very important. It could be with the agencies, it could be with the tax department, it could be with municipalities, etc. And it's a complex process, right? Our agency, our firm, we're CPAs both in the U.S. and also we're CPAs in Puerto Rico. So we understand how to manage and how to deal with the agencies and the tax departments in Puerto Rico. You have to understand what business the government authorized you to operate in order for you to comply for the decree. Oftentimes we see people conducting different businesses or combining different businesses and so forth, and you run the risk of an audit and then you're not complying with the contract, with the decree that the government extended to you. So you have to understand the decree in which you were granted that allows you to run and operate your business, export services or export products. So that way you make sure that you're complying with the law. If you're an investor, you have to understand that you're not conducting a business. You're investing options, stocks, crypto, or different asset class, right? So you have to understand the incentives for which you were granted. That way you make sure that you're complying with the law, not only in Puerto Rico, but if you also have businesses or interests outside of Puerto Rico, like for example in the US, you're complying with the regulations there as well. If you want to conduct business properly, you have to understand that you need to incorporate in Puerto Rico. So it's not only you have to relocate your business in Puerto Rico, but your business needs to be de facto operating and incorporated in Puerto Rico. So in essence, you need to have a bona fide establishment in Puerto Rico. Your business needs to be operating in Puerto Rico. In some cases, you need to have human capital. You need to have employees in Puerto Rico, local Puerto Ricans serving your customers, serving your clients. That's in some cases. You also want to make sure that you have the right business licenses. You're registered with the municipalities. You're registered for property taxes. You also want to make sure that you stay compliant throughout the year with the taxes, business license, and as well as the registration, the annual registrations with the Tax Act and the Act 60 decree. If your business is billing or generating sales or income greater than $3 million a year, you need to have employees in Puerto Rico, right? But you have to take a look at the benefits of actually having human capital, people working for you in Puerto Rico, right? You are integrating yourself in the economy in Puerto Rico, right? You're integrating yourself in the ecosystem of enterprises in Puerto Rico, small businesses and large businesses, right? This will give you an advantage because working with local people, local professionals, you'll be part of the culture, you'll be part of the society. So it's not only a matter of moving your business to lower your taxes, but actually you're having a positive impact in somebody else's life, right? You're employing a local talent, and that local talent has got a family, and that will have a ripple effect in the economy in Puerto Rico. So see it as a way that yes, you're employing people and you're having a positive impact on a local economy while your business is maximizing its cash flows and also maximizing its profits. Puerto Rico Act 60 is a gold mine of opportunities, right? I mean, think about it. It's a win-win situation for your business, and you're also improving a local economy, the Puerto Rico local economy. Play the rules, stay informed, and make sure that the group that you're working with are experts in Puerto Rico Act 60, Puerto Rico tax laws, as well as U.S. tax laws.